They don't lick my toto, lick my brain, lick my anus. I don't know what they do a pa. Chai! Why I tell this boy say, stop licking me. A pa I tell no myself now. Now I can no say, boy why they follow, they tear you back. If you fuck 20 minutes, he lick me 1 hour. You fuck 10 minutes, he lick a pack. No, that licking, is it trash, Forget say saga. Is it try for that licking? Person will go make my leg they shake. I'll say, I know they do again. Go say, open that. Oh, that boy, open that go kill you. Go kill you. No, better for you. Not be when you say enjoy my toto, not be tell me say you don't fuck air page, fuck essay, fuck who they do this. Now me confess, give you. I know essay before. I know air page. I be like who they be synthetic. Air page, I don't follow you by synthetic before. So well gone. Say I don't know what they talk. You will they do to this song with that small picking. Show me with your koro and you don't smoke it, you don't lick metal, so you not gonna know what they do again. You can't they confess. Baby, now this girl teach me how to they fuck with video. Hey, if I not do video, if I not lick toto, I'm not gonna feel stand up. No biki. No biki. You think I'm not gonna know all of them? You think I'm not gonna know all of them? See, I go see arrest you. I go see fuck you up for Europe. I go see fuck you up how you take fuck people wife. You they mad? You fuck people wife you don't tell me. I keep your secret. Since when me and you they do saga. Not only you want the cause. Not only you want the cause. I never want to tell anybody say you don't fuck people wife. Nah, the thing don't roll. I don't go to say you fuck people wife because they talk say I they lie. You they Chris. Oh, one bitch you are. No bell. You never see anything. I say now you be the second person. So go break down where they do nails. All of them go roll for me. After a year, after I know you go do me.
What's the web about?
Better for una.
What's the web about?
Sorry, sir.
I be mute.
Okay, sir.
My people. Matter, we don't see the matter small. I call Buga just now. Now the president for call and the phone the last speaker. And Buga confessed to me. Say see where Bado they carry a phone even when he dey prison. She born a year am. Me not come be like say na me dey talk. Not be laughing matter. Get when they laugh. She born a year am. Meaning now wait to see where Bado see for a phone. Na in call. And the thing we see where Bado see for a phone, he call one which is essay. And his sister call confirm as his sister say sister not married. Say but in Abuga the date. That essay sister cause talk just now say he know about Buga and her page, but that one not gonna sign am. So her page, I put it to you right now. Say if you say that they lie for you, person you want to go swear for Abuga. Because if Buga not lose guard the phone for what see why Bado, he not go for see the chat. So indirectly, Abuga, now he tells you why Bado say he don't knock you. Based on when you can go comment for a peku, for you go pekus, without I don't know if you go comment post. Now you can see your comment say, see this one will still comment for my pekus. You will Buga don't first knock.
Thank you, Epa.
What's why Bado don't know? Now, with the way this matter today goes, so there is still element of truth in what Siwa Bado is saying. See, as I did so now, there's another GB that says, if you not do what it will make you they see people they wrong. If you see people you know wrong. Where was Siwa Bado climb here just now? Her page come down without nothing. Nobody bring her down. Her page come down on her own. So her page, I want to tell you something today. If you really say I be your godfather, because now you declare me from your live video, say I be your godfather. Go carry juju, come face this TikTok. May you take defend yourself from responsibilities. For your fans to see you say yes, you be responsible person. Now Nigerian people they follow you, they buy. Not be Ghanaian, not be Italian, not be Italiano people. Now Nigerian people they follow you, they buy. Both Bini, Isha, Isako, everybody. If you go say you want to say you know what you will do. My dear, there will be a suspect that you are cheating on your husband with confidence. Because I say no reason why you go see what CY Bado from my platform, you come down. Then you can't go the face Ebony hair page. When he be say me, he hear that from person Matt, he can't talk. So if for you to restore back your name, if you don't want me that name, just go like that. After all the stress, we don't stress put for that hair page. And if you want me your hair vendors where they jealous you, according to you, if you don't want me to use this matter, they rob you to the extent, no consumer customer again. Go bring juju. Me you can't swear for Buga. For live video, say, even before you know your husband, if you don't ever see Buga even toast you, or like that, you swear and you swear. Through there, people will not believe you.
Epa, Buga get this woman number.
Buga waiting.
Buga get this woman number now. Buga go dey kill you. Why you don't want to talk truth? Go where? I be like who they lie. Now you bring me to come outside. I see they come outside for social media. They talk with you do. You they Chris.
Now.
You. Now let me catch you for real life. That your lagba bola go Boston. You were said they sex for you before. Now me want beat you now. You were the sex boy because of you. Now I want beat you.
That is.
See, page.
What's the
page? I be page.
What's
if
the
you
way?
see me for sorry.
Calm down. When you ask the talk last say you can't fall in love.
Yes, now one Boston now because that gola make me know it. No, it probably the gola make me fall in love. Now the tongue. Who tell you na gola? Now the tongue. Epa, they don't lick your yansh before.
They never lick me.
They don't lick me. Oh, if I you, Epa, you know what they do again. Everything. Epa, they lick my yansh. Epa, one day.
Okay, don't be saying that the gola just make you fall.
No, not be the gola make me fall licking. Epa, don't let that boy lick you. Hey. Epa, that boy na ex-convict gay. Epa, now when we break up now, yes, you don't suck a prick for Torino now. You know, so you don't break up with boy. They tell you what you don't fair do. You know, say when me fall in love, I know they hear word. They don't lick my toto, lick my brain, lick my anus. I don't know what they do a pa. Chai! Why I tell this boy say, stop licking me. If I tell know myself now. Now I can know say, boy why they follow, they tear you back. If you fuck 20 minutes, he lick me 1 hour. You fuck 10 minutes, he lick a pack. No, that licking, is it trash, Forget say saga. Is it try for that licking? Person will go make my leg they shake. I'll say I know they do again. Go say, open that. Oh, that boy, open that go kill you. Go kill you. No, better for you. Not be what you say enjoyment. So not be tell me say you don't fuck air pig, fuck essay, fuck who they do this. Now me confess give you. I know I said before. I know air pig. I be like who they be synthetic. Hey, page, I don't follow you best synthetic before. Married woman, you follow your husband, they work out for garden. Only you want greet all the boys at Shawowo. Where the other woman will follow you, not follow you, greet the boys. No, they share toto. Your husband hold for real life. You be like young girl. You be like 18 years. You be like 18 years old. You fine yanga. Buga, they wash your plates. You say, I don't know what they talk. No, but ever the way see the shirt to last. Eh? You know the shame. Why you carry your husband go out for garden? You cannot go out corner garden. Me all those small boys don't see you. No, better for you. Epa, you don't want day as you did. So your wife gonna tell you say, help me oh hey. Help me look my pikin. Never! Wow. You want me you want me to poop blow for inside here? May you tell us now you be the husband. This one now they stretch hair, now they wet air, now they opiki. Okay, pa man, Musa, your goddaughter. Sorry, pa your goddaughter for your hand though. As I do as I wish. I never go fuck people husband with the cash.
Don't worry, the only
way. Never.
The only way not to for my hand now. Not to
okay,
go.
Are you tired?
You go swear finish. May you come down. May you come down. May I bring people come up. Come down.
Okay, pas mais oh, pas c'est mais come down.
Come down.
Et pas this I don't finish là.
You not they fall in love with my platform.
But to go to your heart, you let me do this saga way. So the case if they fear me my 2 later, I'm not saying that I do okay.
I know saga.
I
am against it. I am against it.
Pas me conda. Pas conda, ça respect ça. Et pas you get me nobody never send me here.
I'll send you. Just send
okay, pa, where say ça? Where say kada ça? And lead down your biasa. Besa. Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. As we talk this issue, they come since we don't find the solution to the problem. With the evidence we don't gather, we now the feel say Epe they cheat on her husband. Yes. With what we don't gather so far. Yes. But there is a way out. The only way out of this is for Air Page to go carry Juju come TikTok. You go carry the Juju, come TikTok, take save your marriage, even if your husband believe that one like you and your husband offer his ass. So that people are not go they say you go really knock buga. You take save your marriage, take save your customers, tell them people no say yes, you are a responsible woman. My dear, if you cannot do this, if you now say she owe nobody any explanation, but you with the use fake account the right and say she owe nobody explanation. You now they not see your face, so you dey fake account now the right say she owe nobody any explanation. You with the right that thing now only God know that you don't ever follow and buy her before. Me they give person the easiest way to come up for this stress so that people go know say buga yours they use that thing till they lie. Because Juju, it is better say you know say you do this thing, you know you carry Juju than you know say you don't you carry Juju. So I will also bring people up now to hear their own side of the stories, but everything where they happen since more use get sense. May we see where may we use get sense. And the same person the writer say, "I know where I don't get document." If the way I talk this issue not befit you, you not be God to give document. As much as I get children, it will be document. Use a flat finish. I get with it pass document, so I'm okay. You understand? Because me not be small picking. I know the way this issue take the comes. The boy even use what do they call her? He might take confess say the girl they carry a phone. And on the people when they get the see for her phone, then she call out. You understand? So the only way where people go take believe Epe say this thing not happen, say now set up or the one use and spoil and not just that Juju, so that people go say and say she don't defend herself. They say now Juju, according to Benin, they say a boy has seen a Nick Boma. And Juju, you fit to defend yourself to people who not believe you, we gonna make them come believe you. Or you go use Bible. Bible they work. Bible they work. No, to say Bible go delay. No. I go prefer make you go use Juju than Bible. Because Bible will give you time. Yes. Only
when they say me bring down, put me on moderators. Let's say shut up, you are moderators.
Shut up.
Many I make my own network.
I don't remove 3 people, put you on Sharon now.
I don't just say.
Mimi.
No, 15 people not fit be moderator.
Who tell you? Who tell you 15 people not fit be moderator? Who tell you 15 people not fit be moderator?
When it then like so.
I think you right. Nelly, go. Nelly, leave the
Nelly,
go and meet Mama. Your mother will door. Go and meet Mama. Unlock the door for me.
Winnie, punch. Nelly, live here now.
Go and meet Mama now.
Nelly,
go and meet Mama. I'm coming.
Don't do that. I live here.
So you are going to meet Mama and lock the door.
You're making me angry.
So that's so the issue, serious. I don't see Winnie here.
When the punch. When the punch go
I don't see
now.
Winnie here.
When they send request again, Winnie, that's him.
Wait, me remove this person. I'm gonna go the cry. What mama?
It's not good for TikTok. Never seen Winnie.
I don't see Winnie on you.
Suppose they now. Maybe request go down. Winnie punch.
I don't see Winnie.
Winnie, you're the watch now. Request again.
Hello. Hello. Tracy.
Domo.
Godfather.
Don't let me find Winnie. You're coming.
Yeah, yeah.
Domo.
They know you contribute to your.
But wait more contributed that the truth oh. The way see where to the match this your platform now. Why the Buga and the air page now if you follow see where now stand for year now they talk their own side.
Okay.
Why be say they leave only see where for year? If they make clean, make they follow see where can stand for year.
Yeah, conscience fears no accusation.
Fears no accusation. So I see where they not run, follow and stand. Talk and say the Buga go ask see where say see where when I tell you for where air page they go talk on.
Thank you.
See where I tell you. And the people talk that Bugaso for a page because that boy it be like kiss and tell. You dey get me? Okay. Now when that page they pass Buga and see where me see where if you ask Buga say you know this girl. It be like now then that Buga take try and see where I don't fetch up this girl.
Meaning say you support me for the decision when I
yes,
take.
Yes,
sir. Correct. Because
be the girl. So now there so now Buga take see where I say because every time that girl they talk I dey see truth oh.
Okay.
This one so me know you need every I dey see truth.
Okay.
They get all those women they say they want to go with she go swear. Now TikTok it up, how she people not there. We never they see there for here. See, I talk it up, make the support talk with the say to the ending. Because for the next 3 years, we see you. It already they mad like that say you be married to man, may sleep with Buga.
Okay.
So if you go to a farm with you now come tell me say, nah la, you they get me. Now TikTok for me will tell me say, nah la see why la oh. Because for here, now me don't believe say see why they talk truth. Who done the next 3 years that they see you for those and say, now this get me sleep with Buga be this so. Me go cast you.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
God doesn't say you want to go with you. I not there with you. I not go see what happen. Now TikTok I tell you your story. Now TikTok you want to defend yourself.
Exactly.
God doesn't say you got nobody explanation. If you not explain to me, even now any life I use you fly out. I'll say not be the game people got be this one. You are now here.
Okay.
I know the cast to the go, so you have to defend yourself.
Good afternoon. Sorry, say you get what I want to talk because you know say the time when you take call Buga talk say see why they carry your phone they check.
Exactly.
Okay now when Buga take go your live video when you say help page husband take contact come they ask Buga say the time when they say arrest you where your phone did that time Buga talk say the phone say they destroy the phone.
Okay.
So they destroy the phone. Okay now Buga can't tell you now, say, the time when they say arrest her, say phone, they will see why. Which phone now they will see why? When you see go talk or go your live stream, say the phone say they destroy her. When they say help page husband, they ask you where your phone did that time.
Okay.
Because this one go call you go talk, this one go call you go talk. They're not able to talk the real matter when they inside. The only thing that we say now, help page now help Bonnie now they drag that one. And not be that one carry the matter come and say yes, Buga don't knock her. Yeah. Now when she come out, now that one cost the opportunity to enter her because these two people they don't feel like themselves. That maybe they feel get one or two things.
Exactly.
What did they now be say? If truly say help page, you are innocent. The moment you enter this platform, you go face the person where carry you come out.
God bless you.
Not the person where no carry you come out. That person that you bring a goofy, I help you break out.
Una good evening, oh. Una good evening. I greet the house.
Good evening.
You remember say when I first climb up before they drop me. You remember say now waiting I first talk.
Yeah.
When I thought say why she go they drag Ebony, where she already know say not be Ebony be the architect of this matter.
Yeah.
where they drop me. See the matter now, though, it don't escalate and everywhere does scatter now, the truth don't come up.
Yes.
See why they hit the nail back to back, the truth.
Exactly.
You understand? And she not feel face see why because she know say the matter not true.
Exactly.
You dey feel me? But you know why I put body for this matter? Where be say this matter interests me. You remember say I call you one time inside 2 years ago. Say I get friend where marry where they go they fiki-faka up and down. You remember? But you not talk about the matter.
I know you not talk on me again now.
Okay, now me not come pressure the matter. And another one, cause he come out again where see be say na this hair page, whatever Sarah be Sandra, na be her name. And the thing where they vex me for this matter now be say their husband they know say that they do vaga for our side. That is why they know they want to make people to clear the air for people say not true or not be true. Their husbands, these women where they do this thing so we don't marry, so these so-called women, so their husband know, say that they do. Imagine when Buga, this head page of the husband enter go your live video, go they ask Buga question, say, I'm a translator in Italy, I judge for people, blah, blah, blah. Buga, I call you to ask you, where did you leave your phone the time they arrested you? Buga they talk say they smash your phone according to waiting when you talk just now. Say they smash your phone no. Nah. You they call you now, not they call you. They talk say now see where enter your phone. You don't see us everything we see where they talk now true.
Now true because if true they say you get enter your phone.
Why these women who are sharing with our girls?
You know what you ask that page just now, eh?
You understand?
You hear me? Ask that page just now say where Buga get a page number and you not get your husband number.
Because
Why?
he didn't yashana, that one
Okay, may I ask that question?
He didn't yasha.
Buga go get your wife number, you not go get your number. Why? Which business you get with your wife?
I dislike this women when the husband has a fault. They don't let us wait, not the husband.
You see what they happen for this TikTok. We know people when they sell market. We know people when they sell nyash.
Exactly.
People there when they sell market. People there when they sell nyash.
Okay.
Okay, if you say okay, Epa Enoje, if you look
Buga the bear, Buga la give me the bear. Which one be the bear?
the boy talk say the phone there with the girl. Okay, if you say that phone there with the girl can't enter your phone, she can't see the chat when you and this woman take the chat.
Exactly. Then make her mention.
Everything we see where I talk now true. Everything we see where I talk about her page now true. He want to that they follow Ebony.
Winnie.
Paper.
See what I talk. I say she fit still defend herself, say not be true by swearing, but we go see him with our eyes.
Hey, now what you want just see with your line in because
me go want see how me want see how
agree with.
Now make a
we agree me want see how I want see
how for the beginning when this thing say happen now when they say pay your bride price
even I say you never understand this women you go wait for sweat tire because of that they know what that they do. They know whatever swear you do.
No, this TikTok say yes. If you say yes, normally say they bring this. They go carry swear come. Not be person. Wait to see why I talk. See why I talk. Say even though they carry swear come, she go swear. If you say no, I'm not be what is that you call her? Buga tell her say he knock her. If not be Buga still show her the charts. You understand? Not be say because you and person just break up, you just say because one thing just complain, or just come out, carry you and your husband picture come out. You not come out, you not defend yourself. Okay, when the matter don't they escalate now, okay, the person when they accuse you, you not face her. Now another person when they say yes, you carry the matter because you don't get issue before. Now that one you they face.
Exactly. See.
The same phone when Buga said they destroy. Now the same phone you they thought they see why.
They will see why.
Nah, Buga use the market because only see why be the young girl where Buga the friend. Now make Buga get that. You see where that girl come up just now. The other girl they call Vanessa. He talk one word say the matter where they happen so he know but he not concern now. Say now his sister now he go talk.
Now he want talk. Yes, now what did the girl talk?
Thank you.
Matter.
Even when CY come and CY thought say yes, that's why what did they tell
Why
her?
if you see they never ready to stay on marriage, they'll go to marry.
Okay, last, the girl sister come and say yes, say the Buga really friend his sister.
And he say he know about air page, not forget. He say she know about air page, but she no come talk about that one.
If they want to settle the issue for me, now me that they drag like this, say yes, my conscience, I don't really do that.
Good evening, sir.
Me, I know go swear for back, oh. I go carry the juju, I go post, everybody go see, and they go see.
I dey see your comments for comments.
Okay, what do
Now Uchima marry.
Anything when you want carry, you carry and cut. Don't clear your name, not to clear the air that you are innocent. No be say you call the platform, you see petty wey be say yes, they popo you, they swagbo you.
Okay, that if I don't get you, they hear me. See the Buga for year. Why the Buga they comment so? Why you not feel come me see why for year? For up for year.
Godfather, even if say Buga come up, Buga no agree.
You need to do it.
Yeah, I
know bring all of us come. You go there ask the question. You go there ask the question. You go carry know what really happen. You go see the truth inside. Not be say me I come up, I thought this one. No, the people when they involved, now you go carry comments.
I no game. I beg. I quickly get what I want to contribute. May I calm down?
Oh yeah now.
Okay, for me, you know, say some boys they lie. Let us be sincere.
Yeah.
You can use your own as an example where your own happen. They will talk and say the thing are true.
Yes.
You understand? Now when now they talk, you will go carry you, but waiting give that person that night to even talk am at all. When they say the thing are lie.
Yes.
You understand? So if you know me very well, if you get one guy may see that issue, I think was it last year, because I post passport, he carried my passport for head. You understand? So me I can't bring if picture come outside. It sit a saga and based on your comment. He can't go create fake account say I don't tell me I friend.
Okay.
You understand? So people got to carry the matter. Married woman, you want to be friends with another person. You know, say Saga can bring anything out. You understand? Saga can make Saga can bring anything out. You understand? So when me contact and say post the date when me and you take talk, I can't go say you talk and say I don't do something. You just say I tell her.
Talk, Jare. Want to mute him again? I beg. Talk. Press clothing. Talk. Press. Oh, wait me. I'll meet you. Hello? Oh, Precious, they talk. Who mute Precious safe? See matter.
Can you hear me, sir?
Hey, I dey hear you because we not got to hear you before.
Okay, what I'm trying to say, some people can just bring out issues just because there is saga. You understand? Because I remember when that guy, because I say he make comment for my post, I can't bring the picture, come out, I say saga. He can go talk and say, me, I don't, he can go create fake account, say me, I don't tell her, say any friend.
That way they talk now, my sister, it is different from this one.
No, now they talk. What I'm trying to say is, anything can happen, you know. It's just saga. Anybody can use anything to saga anybody. Maybe people not just to believe, say, everything are just true.
You don't gather information so far. This one they different from your own. What see where about though? The women when you call that, like the other one they call essay.
What I try to talk is that some men they lie, some men can use anything to raise themselves. So maybe people not just believe say what did the guy just talk not true. I'm not defending her. I'm not defending her. I'm not there. But when I try to tell, say some men can lie. Some boys, it don't even happen for this my city. You go make me say don't first date somebody wife. When matter comes up, they can't beat the boy. The boy say na lie, he just they lie. Why you go use that kind of thing lie? Some boys they lie. For this country we they say some boy can use some women they raise body. They will say they don't first date and a lie. But the boy not get that to say don't date married woman if na lie. You understand? So for me, I don't know how happy want to defend herself. If na juju she wanted to do amo, if na anything she wanted to do amo, because this one a very strong accusation, you understand? But make people not just because I say I not go buy hair for her again. If you do as Akuna now your toto ite do when you not go buy hair for her again. No, you understand?
The reason why people talk like that, they listen. The reason why people still talk like that is because some of them maybe they are disappointed in her. You understand? They see people like that.
They cannot conclude, sir. They cannot conclude because when you all happen that time, if you let not be juju when you bring come outside, there is no way people can know the truth. You understand?
Yes. Now make me the talk say the only way for people, a lot of people go take believe say her page is saying the truth, and that juju.
Exactly what I'm saying, sir. I said if not be saying that you can't bring juju come outside.
Her say now she want for go do you say he doesn't.
No, maybe she don't want to mention what she want to do because some people they want to do something and they feel not talk and come and see what they want to do. Maybe we wait. Maybe people don't have the conclude say she do one. That's why she don't want to defend herself. She feel don't want to talk too much because she's into trauma. People have been dragging her since how many days. So maybe definitely she may be working on something. So we should be patient and wait for what she wants to do. She really need to defend herself because if I were her, I would defend myself. You understand? Okay. So maybe she really need to. Maybe she's working on something. So that's the reason why she don't want to talk too much on social media. You understand? For me, some people they like because I remember when that thing was going on my own. One girl go come and say, and that's what she did do. She even do it to my husband. It means say maybe me say don't tell her husband say they will be friends. Do you understand that point? So when me can't go, the person can't make that comment. He can't block me. Why you block me? So me not gonna find the girl. Let me bring her come outside, make it come outside, can't show evidence of where he say me don't tell your husband we will be friends. I not see the guy again. He can't block me. You know, can't greet talk the matter come outside again. So if the guy not saying that true, she dey touch. She for come outside, can't challenge me. Say yes, you don't touch my husband, or you don't tell my husband we wanna be friends. Later I can't go find her say, now that boy, now he and that guy, now friend. Now say okay, now that one the child defend. You understand? So what I'm trying to say is, she may have her own way of defending herself, and make she not go to drag everybody. I don't know what's happening between me and everybody, but this girl matter what she talks. So the girl may not lie based on saying that waiting the guy tell her and let the girl talk. You understand? So if there is any way she can defend herself, make she defend herself. She may not need to be exchanging words on social media. Okay. If there is any way she can do, make she do it. Because you now you use the to defend your wife. People can't believe your wife. You understand? People see the way you believe say your wife do at that time. Yes. You understand?
Epa, she be since I come down, Abi. So that they go do it in church. Epa, since I come down, she say make I come down. No.
Yeah.
If I beg no vessel, I feel explain about that where the phone they deal with me. I beg.
Yeah. Explain.
Okay. If I look, they don't bring this boy. No, then Abi. They don't bring Ebola. Abi, they never bring Ebola. No, they never bring Ebola. Bros, listen, no. Me and this boy we did based on say I travel go Swiss. Epa, how you go the date boy? You if they send like 500K, 200K, they give family. They get me. You can't they send 50K, 30,000. What's your junior brother no go feel you stay even background notes? All because of say they do love, Abi.
Yeah.
I understand say the boy they try. You know if he fix your own biz, cause he fix my own, Abi. And number two again, bros, boy we abandon him mama for junky years. Let me make this boy go to talk to his mama back. This boy will get my post my tutus. Hey, bros, as I they smoke a rich, I get 9 people why they take care of them. You they get me? 9. Even they say yes, of course. My mommy you go they bomb many children, put everything for my head based on senior daughter. You they get me so? I they take care of my brothers and sisters. Even my mama said 200K too small for her. Now we Bugatti abandon your mama. We they do relationship every time they call my mommy. You they greet my mommy. You they greet my mommy. If I should be asking know your mama Abi.
Exactly. Well.
Thank you. Now since you said this boy abandon your mama. He away mama say because say whether mama chop 1 million Abi, mama chop 500K. Money will not reach anything. You know how much my family don't dagbo me. I prefer I prefer me my family dagbo me will made each other will see come together than say Percy what I don't know before. Because say we do kind. You they get me? You call dagbo my money.
It's be kind.
If I they get me. Mini I don't know what they talk of nakina, kind. Epa, they get me. So things don't call to the ad. Things call to the ad. I call this boy as my boyfriend and say, babe, you they try. You understand? You go pay our strength, feed me, see carry your own market, you dey get me. Take care of us, see some money go
See
your
why
house.
hold on a minute. There's a
Eh.
go straight to the point.
Eh? Nah, I know sabi go straight, like I'll go like I'll fit a meet and no vex.
Okay. You know what thing go happen? Hold on.
Okay.
I want to go on break for 15 minutes.
If I don't tire.
I don't tire. I want to go on break. Man, I not go sleep. Because if I don't sleep now,
If I want to the fair me you talk for this month, you never talk out.
and then make I say I dey come back for part 2 later.
Me explain where the way you think.
I want to the investment and say they're not declared with you. Her page is here. Bugatti here. The only one they explain.
Are you tired?
You make everybody come
Oh
believe
yeah,
you say
Buga.
yes.
Buga, okay, wait. Oh, you like give everybody say that picking where you get. Now you're picking. But with me and you they play love. You tell me say the picking not be your picking. The woman get belly as you heartless. You don't see the reason why we beside you wake up one day. I call you they change my mood. Me and you quarrel. I you hide all your video come up for my TikTok. You know reason now. Because I reason what you tell me, cause they make me they fear you. Woman will get belly for another man. Because say the man not there around, you knock the woman, una took all that cross. Una cross finish, you call they tell everybody say na your picking. You tell everybody say na your picking finish. Me and you come knock, you can't tell me say not be your picking. You use and follow up. Me not be like say you never born.
Oh, man. What's the rubber do?
Hey God. Come back for Patusha.
Come back.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah. All right. All the women in the house, both the one we don't marry, both the one we never marry, both single mother we never marry, both single girl we never marry, Mona listening. Men and women, this message is directed to you guys. Number one, be careful of what you say to your loved ones, your friends, and even your family members. You just have this, so there are people we get limits to some certain things. A girl with you feel discuss with person, girl with you no feel discuss with person because of tomorrow. With all these things that happen, so you go must still use and learn. It's not about the joking matter or anything. As we still speak now, I never still believe say her page cheat on her husband because I know they there. But the evidence gathered so far, though they be like saying the truth, but I wasn't there. The only thing we go make us believe, say, okay, this thing not be like that, the juju. But if her page still say no, we carry juju, as far as it not be our family, she from marry, she not relate to by blood. If we see talk and small, we go rest. The reason why I want to come back again later by 6 o'clock, we say a lot of things still there. Way I never talk about. She talk about just now, but because if I say may I bring that one, it will take another longer time. But on this note, I would like maybe we go for at least 45 minutes break, then we'll come back, go for part 2. Thank you all for the love. Thank you all for everything. Stay blessed and stay safe. Till I come back again, 6 p.m. Bye for now.